Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled to keep track of how long tasks will take in your Smartsheet project, today's tutorial is going to help you out in a big way. I'll walk you through step by step exactly how to add a duration column in Smartsheet so you can automatically see how much time tasks will take without having to do the math yourself. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set Smartsheet up to track durations between your start and end dates, making your project management process quicker and more accurate. So let's get started right away. First things first, before we can get durations calculated, you need to have two date columns set up in your Smartsheet, one for the start date of your task and one for the end date. Picture this like booking a hotel room. You need to know both your check-in and check-out dates in order to figure out how many nights you'll stay. Without both, there's no way to really measure how long something takes. So confirm your sheet already has these two columns or go ahead and add them. They can be called anything like start date and end date, but they do need to be in a date format, not just general text. Once those are in place, let's move to the next step. Right-click on any column header. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be one of the date columns specifically. You'll see a drop-down menu appear. From here, you're going to select Edit Project Settings, or sometimes it's listed as Edit Project Section, depending on how your Smartsheet is set up. This is the spot where you unlock a lot of Smartsheet's project management tools. Inside the Project Settings menu, you'll find some powerful options, but the one we care about today is labeled Dependencies. Go ahead and check that box. When you enable dependencies, you're telling Smartsheet that you want it to automatically handle relationships between tasks, like what comes first, what comes after, and importantly for us, how to calculate duration between those start and end date columns. Now just click OK to save your changes. As soon as you do that, you'll notice Smartsheet does something really helpful. It automatically adds two new columns to your sheet. One is for predecessors and the other is for duration. Don't worry if the extra columns feel a bit unfamiliar at first. The duration column is the one we really want. This new duration column will instantly start calculating the amount of time between the start and end dates you enter, saving you from manually subtracting dates or setting up complicated formulas. It's a real time saver, especially on bigger projects where you have lots of tasks and deadlines to manage. Here's the best part. Now that you've set this up, whenever you input a start date and an end date for a task, Smartsheet will automatically fill in the duration. For example, if you put June 1 as the start and June 5 as the end, the duration column will display 4 days just like that. You don't have to do anything extra. This makes it much easier to spot if any deadlines are too tight or if there's a gap you can use somewhere else in your project. And that's really all there is to it. Remember, it might take a minute for Smartsheet to update if you're working with a lot of tasks, so don't worry if you don't see the duration appear instantly. Also, as you continue to build out your project plan, these settings will keep working in the background, giving you up-to-date durations as you tweak dates or add new tasks. So give it a try in your own sheet and see how much smoother your workflow becomes. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or if something didn't quite work as expected, drop a comment down below. I'm always happy to help. Make sure to subscribe for more easy, effective Smartsheet tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.